Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Xbox games on your PC. First, you will need to download and install the Xbox application from the Microsoft Store onto your Windows computer. After installation, launch the app and sign in using your Microsoft account. This account should be the same one you use for your Xbox console, ensuring all your game progress and purchases are accessible. Once logged in, you can access your game library. Consider subscribing to Xbox Game Pass, which offers hundreds of games for a monthly fee. Alternatively, you can purchase individual games through the Xbox app or the Microsoft Store. Many titles support Xbox Play Anywhere, meaning a single digital purchase grants access on both your Xbox console and your personal computer. For the best experience, connect an Xbox wireless controller to your PC. You can do this via Bluetooth, a USB-C cable, or an Xbox wireless adapter. Once connected, explore the in-game settings to optimize graphics, resolution, and audio to suit your computer's capabilities. Many games also allow you to customize controller button assignments for personalized gameplay. If you prefer not to install games, Xbox Cloud Gaming allows you to stream titles directly to your PC. This requires an active Game Pass Ultimate subscription and a strong internet connection, ideally with speeds of at least 20 megabits per second. Should you encounter any technical difficulties, the Xbox support website offers comprehensive troubleshooting guides and assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.